Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makayla Wetmore, just in case you didn't know. Today I'm going to be doing this super girly, colorful, pinky purple look. It's like soft but also intense at the same time with a pretty light pink lip. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, continue watching. Alrighty, so I'm going to start with this super white eyeshadow to cover my full eyelid, and I just realized I didn't bring a mirror down here, so hold on a second. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the solid white color all over the lid. Now I'm going to go in with this pretty mauve-ish color here. We're gonna put that in the crease. Now we're gonna do the other eye. Okay, now I'm going to go into the corner with this hot pink here, just on the outer corner in the crease. Bring a little bit down on the lid. And I'm going to go back in with that first pink. Just going to loosen that up a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with this shimmery purple color here, and we are going to put this on the lid. And then I'm just going to take this little sparkly white color down here. I'm just going to put that close to the tear duct. Then I'm going to go under the eye with that purple. The reason I like to do this is it makes your eye appear wider, and it also gives it a little bit more of a intense smoky look. And then I'm going to go in with just a little bit of that first pink on the outer corner. Next, I'm going to just take some of that sparkly white color and put it up by my brow. Next, we'll do our lovely eyeliner. Alright, sorry guys, I cannot talk while I'm putting on eyeliner. It's like too much concentration. Alright, now we're gonna blend this color out to the eyeliner. Just because I can't handle it not touching for some reason. Having a gap is just like the weirdest thing for me. See how much prettier that looks? Alright, I'm just gonna go back in this inner corner again real quick with just a little bit more of that sparkly white shadow, just to kind of intensify it a little more. Now that that's all done, I'm gonna put on some mascara. So this is what it looks like all blended together. Alright, so I glued my eyelashes on off camera. Now I'm gonna do my lip liner real quick. And just in case you guys are wondering, the reason I draw with the lip liner all over my lips is it helps your lipstick, anything you're going to put on your lips stay on longer. So it's just a really good trick if you want your lips to stay all day really well. It's nice to have that base underneath them to kind of grab onto. So that's why I always cover my lips in lip liner. And then next I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Melted Peony. And this is like kind of old, like a couple years old, but I love this color. It was like my all-time favorite lip color when it first came out, and I wore it like every single day forever. So I thought it'd be fun to put it on again since it's been so long, and it kind of goes with the look we got going on. And then I'm gonna take my lip brush and shape it out a little bit. Alright guys, now I'm going to spray my face with this rose hibiscus coconut water. I always inhale that stuff. I don't know how I do it every single time, but I do. So this is the final look. It's very colorful and girly and just cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and have a good rest of your day. Bye guys.